Welcome to our factory. Today, we'll show you exactly how toothpaste is made from animal bones, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
The bone powder slurry undergoes rigorous chemical treatment, extracting vital calcium compounds. This refined calcium
Every batch is refined and tested for safety and quality.
Every product is carefully inspected before leaving the facility.
And that's how toothpaste is made. Again, from animal bones to the tube you use every day.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.